to Kids Storytime Book Club. Today we'll be reading from Dr. Seuss, Oh, the Things You Can Do That Are Good for You. And we're going to learn all about staying healthy. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and today is the day. So jump in, buckle up, we must leave right away. For the Feeling Great Center in far-off Fadoo, it's a place part museum, part circus, part zoo, where you will soon learn how to take good care of you. Your mother will not mind at all if you do. So we're going on a healthy adventure. Look, it's the Feeling Great Center. Here we are, and the first friends I'd like you to meet are some of the famous tic-tac-toe tapping tweet. Tweets shoot beezer ball baskets by using their feet. The tweets have all kinds of games that they play to get moving at least for an hour each day. Oh, look at thing 1 and thing 2. They have extra little tips for us. Moving gives you energy and helps you grow. It gets your heart beating and makes your blood flow. It's fun to get moving. There's nothing to it. The tweets here will show you some cool ways they do it. They swing on the swings and slide down the slide, then jump on their skateboards and start to ride. You can get your heart pumping when, just like a tweet, you play catch in your yard or go jog down the street. Skipping or jumping, running or rowing, the tweets know the best thing to do is get going. What's the Snuff Gruffle's trouble? There's no time to play because he sneezes at least 90 times every day. When you sneeze, you blow dust in a rush from your nose. My sneeze meter measures how far the dust goes. It can travel 5 feet and blasts out with great power at speeds over 100 miles an hour. Sneezing shoots germs out all over the place, so lift up your arm and cover your face. Sneeze into your elbow so friends won't get sick. Or sneeze into a tissue and throw it out quick. Let's get a tissue and help wipe thing 1's nose. Let's wipe, wipe, wipe. Good job. And what do thing 1 and thing 2 say? Germs are small living things too tiny to see. Most germs, it is true, will not hurt you and me. Now you're in for a treat. Meet the zing-singing Zans. She has written a song about washing your hands. It takes half a minute to get your hands clean. Sing along with Zans and you'll see what I mean. Here we are at the sink, ready to wash our hands. Wishily, washily, washily, wish. Squishily, squashily, squashily, squish. Wash your hands carefully, it's up to you. Use soap and warm water, it's easy to do. Rinse them, and while we all sing this refrain, germs from your hands will slide down the drain. To stay healthy, you need to keep all of you clean. So jump into my new Scrubble Bubble machine. It's part shower, part car wash, and costs just a dime. It will give you shampoo, either lemon or lime. Scrub your fingernails of the dirt and the grime while you finish your homework at the same time. Look at that. Now it's time to step up to my rainbow buffet. Filled with colorful foods we should eat every day. There are lots to choose from and their power is great. Veggies and fruit should fill half your plate. And fish, nuts or beans, or a piece of lean meat, then brown rice or pasta made from whole grain wheat. Let's see what thing 1 and thing 2 share. Next, reach for some water. It's delicious to drink. You can fill your own bottle from a fountain or sink. Or drink low-fat milk. That's what I like to do. It helps build strong bones and vitamins too. In the morning, your body needs food right away. Be sure to eat breakfast to start off each day. You eat 3 meals in all, breakfast, dinner, and lunch, but sometimes in between you want something to munch. Grab healthy snacks. They may be what you need. Try fresh berries or carrots or shelled pumpkin seeds. In this booth, you'll hear something amazing but true. You will hear your own body. It's talking to you. When you're thirsty, just listen. Your body says, think. I need to get water. Please drink, 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 drink. When you're hungry, your stomach starts grumbling and mumbling. Feed me, or else I will go right on rumbling. When your body feels pain, it is telling you, hey, something is wrong. I need help right away. If you start to feel tired, you can do your best. Your body is telling you it's time to rest. If a voice inside says, I feel angry, I'm mad, or you hear your heart whisper, I feel kind of sad, tell an adult how you're feeling and know it's okay. Everyone at some time gets to feeling that way. Let me introduce you, the Sneeze Snicker Sneath. She is known far and wide for her sparkling white teeth. Like you, she had baby teeth when she was small, but though she grew big, her teeth grew not at all. One by one they fell out, but the smart Snicker Sneath knew she had a new set of teeth growing beneath. But there's one thing no Sneath you will forget. This next set of teeth is the last you will get. So she brushes her teeth at least 2 times a day. Germs that stay on your teeth can lead to decay. Let's help her brush her teeth. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Make sure we get the sides, top, bottom, and the back. What do thing 1 and thing 2 share here? Oh, after brushing your teeth, take some floss and unwind it. Then slide it between them. If food's there, you'll find it. Keep brushing and flossing. It's really a breeze and will help to make sure you avoid cavities. Now I'd like you to meet the Galactic Guru. He can juggle 6 chairs, 5 friends in 1 shoe. How do Guru do it? It's hard to explain, but it all comes from signals sent out from the brain. It's your body's computer that makes everything go. Helps you sleep, run, and hiccup, think, dream, smile, and grow. It's important for you to protect it. And so, if you're going out riding a skateboard or bike, or doing another fun sport that you like, take care to make sure that your head is all right. Grab a helmet and see that you snap it on tight. Be smart and be safe. And just like the Guru, make sure that your parents wear their helmets too. Here is where snug buggles tumble and play, then sleep in a heap at the end of the day. Snug buggles know the importance of rest. 10 hours of sleep helps buggles do best. Snug buggles show us the way to wake bright. Go to sleep at about the same time every night. Brush your teeth, read a book, sing a song, dim the light. Take a breath, close your eyes, just relax and sleep tight. Thing 1 and thing 2 share. We all need to sleep. It's important to do. But your brain never sleeps. It keeps working for you. It keeps your heart beating inside of your chest and keeps your lungs breathing while you get some rest. Oh, and speaking of sleep, it's time we must go, but there's just one more thing I would like you to know. You're important and special. Believe me, it's true. No one in the world is exactly like you. We learn something together in far off Fadu. Taking care of yourself is a good thing to do. And look, in the back of the book, you can find a glossary and more exciting books about being healthy. And this special edition even has an extra bonus story that you could read along and find exciting recipes for healthy, yummy foods that you can make with an adult. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and check the description for a link below as to where you can buy the special edition book of Dr. Seuss at Staying Healthy. Bye, everybody!